pens to the paper like they were crossing on each other. I'll make a deputy bet to me.